Hey, what's up, y'all? My name's Lewis, and I'm a throttleaholic. So, I got a little behind on editing videos ever since we got back from the Sturgis trip. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Y'all hungry? And, hi, Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Hi, Gigi. How's my girl? Are you hungry? Huh? You hungry? You want some grain? But anyway, ever since I got back from Sturgis, I got busy with construction on a barn dominium project, and it's been kind of hectic. Come here, Gigi, over here. Blaze, there's yours. Come here, Sassy. Come here, Sassy. Leave him alone, Charlie. Over here, Sassy. Come on. Come here, Sassy. Blaze, Blaze, get over here on yours. But anyway, so let me go check the water. But I have been, so I'm back, so it's back to editing videos this week, and I hope to be caught up and back on schedule. But this video is day 2 on our ride home from the Sturgis trip, and I hope you enjoy it. All right, good morning. We are in Newcastle, Wyoming, fixing to hit the road and continue our trek back home. I hope y'all, in watching these videos, will enjoy the Wyoming landscape as much as I do. That ride yesterday from Lead, South Dakota into Wyoming was awesome. All right, we're headed out of Newcastle now after a minor dilemma. My bike wouldn't start. There were several other guys in the parking lot whose bikes wouldn't start. A guy with a slingshot. And I had put a new battery in my fob before I left on the trip. Come to find out, apparently there was some interference there at that hotel. And so everyone that had fobs was having trouble getting their bike started. Anyway, here we go. We got it going finally. I think we've got about I'm not sure how many hours, half a day or so before we get into Colorado. I went comatose before my head hit the pillow yesterday. We were wore out. stopped off in Torrington, Wyoming to fill up with fuel, and the Bronco Grill was recommended as a pretty good place to get a bite to eat. So we're going to eat some lunch and then get back on the road. Leaving Torrington, Wyoming. We had a great lunch. Excellent fresh cut chicken fried steak. I think the next town we'll go through is Hawk Creek, I believe what it's called. Our next stop will probably be Cheyenne, Wyoming. Looks like we may have a fire up ahead. It's real smoky. We just crossed the border. Now we're in Colorado. Okay, we stopped for a break, filled up with gas, and had a little coffee. And our next stop will be Loveland, Colorado, where we are planning on spending the night. Let's go.